In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Notion to your Outlook calendar. If you've ever wanted to streamline your workflow and keep track of your calendar events within Notion, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and get started with this simple integration. First, you'll want to open your Outlook account and head to your mail page. Once there, navigate over to the calendar by clicking on the calendar icon. This is where you can manage all your scheduled events and appointments. Now, look for the view option and click on it to find the calendar settings. Before proceeding, ensure you're familiar with the layout of your calendar settings, as this will help you navigate through the upcoming steps smoothly. Next, within the calendar settings, find the shared calendars option. This is where you'll be able to set up sharing rules for your calendar, which is essential for connecting with Notion. Find the option labeled Select a Calendar and click on it. Then you will need to select your calendar from the list provided. This step lets you choose which calendar you want to connect with Notion. After selecting your calendar, go to Select Permissions and choose the Can View When I'm Busy option. This setting allows others, in this case, your Notion workspace, to see your availability without exposing all the details of your appointments. Once that's done, hit the Publish button. By publishing your calendar, you're generating a link which is crucial for the connection to Notion. You'll want to copy the HTML link provided. This is your direct link to the calendar's settings. Now let's shift focus to Notion. Open Notion and go to the page where you want to embed your Outlook calendar. Look for the plus button and click to add a new block. In the new block, type in embed to reveal an embed option. Paste the HTML link you copied from Outlook into the embed dialog in Notion. This action will create a live view of your calendar within your Notion page. Finally, click on the embed button to finalize the integration. You're all set. Your Outlook calendar is now beautifully embedded within your Notion workspace. With this setup, you can view your upcoming events and manage your schedule without toggling between different apps. Remember, this integration not only keeps your workflow seamless, but also enhances your productivity by having everything you need in one place. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you get the most out of your Notion and Outlook experience. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Happy organizing!